in magazines. A striking runway entrance, beauty in passion, stardust in high-class scenes of popular teens. When I lived in Denver, I met a millionaire with ribbons in her blonde hair. And I still remember, she was like a princess straight from a dreamy castle in the air. See the sun rise over the Bering Strait. I was sick of the West when I turned 21, so I moved to the Sunshine State. We played golf on the moon and tennis on the sun, like athletes of the afternoon. The solar flares burned my arms and made her makeup run on our super lunar honeymoon. I was the youngest son of a congressman, and everything was my fault. She was a gymnast, happily swinging on the uneven bars, tucked in a somersault. So lovely, she was everything to me. So lovely, she was everything to me. We longed to see the sun rise over the Bering Strait. I was sick of the West when I turned 21, so I moved to the Sunshine State.
se simte, dar pisica da mă cântă. Și noi cântăm cu dânsea. Hopa, țunia, țunia, hopa, toată lumea, lumea toată-i încântată de pisica talentată. Hopa, hai că-i bună, hopa, nu-i o glumă, toți îl cadă pe costică, să le mai aduc o sticlă. Să le mai aduc o sticlă. Toți îl cadă pe costică, să le mai aduc o sticlă. Peștișorii să nu tacă, le-am turnat și lor o leacă. Numai rațele din curte mute au fost și-au rămas.